This is a quick tour of the OpenAI-driven FileMaker Learning Companion. All of these requests are being answered by a machine learning model that is based on GPT-3. So let's take a look. So the first category is creating a FileMaker calculation. And as you can see here, we have various different examples. And the idea is that the user would come in here and just say, create FileMaker calculation, or this could even be something that's built into the calculation dialog itself. So we will type in what our request is, simply hit run. And then we have our returned calculation that we can copy and paste into the calculation dialog window if need be. You can see some of the other examples here. These are all first tries that came back, and some of them are somewhat sophisticated as well. Let's also look at creating a custom function that's a very similar process. So let's say, for example, we wanted to create a simple one for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can see what our output is there. Or how about a more of a utility function? If we create a new one, custom function, put in our request, hit run. And we can review our let function that is returned. Or let's try a couple others. Popular one. And this can be used as a field filter or a custom function or both. And how about just two more here? We'll try two more. And finally, in this case, let's say we want to convert file size of a container. And you'll see here that it has the intelligence built in to use things like get as number. And you can see some of the other calculations here using nested functions like round and that type of thing. So let's take a look at creating a FileMaker script. This is pretty exciting. So you can see all the different options here. These are all prompts that have been asked before, and you can see that it gives back, in some cases, explanations and even the script itself. So let's try creating one. And this could be added to your script maker window, or this could just be a guide from a learning standpoint. We'll try a couple more of these. And this can really take some of the early getting to know script maker and scripts within FileMaker out of the whole equation. And now the interesting thing is, if you look back on some of these, we can actually then ask the model what these calculations do. So for example, if I just took this calculation and I went down to explain this FileMaker function, and I hit, let's say, a new explain FileMaker function, and I put in a function and hit run, it'll come back with a human readable sentence. So this could actually be great for commenting functions as fields. The same with scripts. This could be used as an explanation for what a script does. So for example, let's say I feed it this script. You can see some of the other options here. So let's go in here, explain FileMaker script. And this could be used to comment or just simply to learn this process. Now, if we put all of these things together, we can have a chatbot.